Welcome to our exploration of Dirghatamas, an enigmatic sage whose verses in the Rigveda are pivotal to ancient Indian philosophy. Born into the profound Anjurasa lineage, his influence in Vedic society was substantial, guiding kings and shaping spiritual doctrines. Engulfed in mystery, his life and wisdom intertwine deeply within his hymns. Today we explore his philosophical insights and the astrological foresight that links the cosmos with the spiritual. Dirghatamas, born into the venerable Anjurasa family, was more than a philosopher. He embodied a legacy that defines Vedic culture. His kinship with Bharadvaja, who authored key sections of the Rigveda, highlights this family's deep scholarship. They were scholars and cosmic stewards, profoundly shaping the spiritual landscape. Through Dirghatamas, we see the Vedic tradition as a flowing river of wisdom. Authoring hymns 140 to 164 of the Rigveda's first Mandala, Dirghatamas was a chief priest and a seminal thinker. His hymns, especially the enigmatic Asya Vamasya, propose paradoxes and deep philosophical truths, suggesting foundational monist ideas. These verses reflect his profound understanding of celestial movements, establishing him as a pioneer of both spiritual and astrological insights. Dirghatamas's life unfolded like a riddle, encapsulating deep philosophical themes. Facing rejection and isolation, his rescue by King Bali marked his philosophical rebirth. Through the practice of Niyoga with Queen Sudeshna, he fathered influential progeny, embedding his legacy in regions like Anga and Vanga. Each chapter of his life reflects a relentless pursuit of wisdom, no matter the personal cost. Concluding our journey with Dirghatamas, we reflect on a legacy that continues to resonate in modern thought. His hymns, notably the Asya Vamasya, challenge interpretations and encourage deep philosophical inquiry. His insights into unity and diversity are particularly relevant today, suggesting that ancient wisdom can indeed guide modern challenges and foster interconnected knowledge across diverse dialogues.